Hello family, welcome to another episode. This episode we are going to prepare Tuo Zaafi, popularly known as TZ, and Ayoyo, which is the green. As you can see on my table, my ingredients are here. Corn flour is here, cassava flour, my fresh tomatoes, onions. This is intestines, popularly known as nama. My dry fish is here. You can see my beef and my guinea fowl, fresh pepper, and the green itself, popularly known as Ayoyo. As usual, I will be donating 1 pack of the food to the needy person at the roadside. As we are cooking, we cook with love and care. So the northern part is known as the best place you can find TZ. So today I'm going to show you people how to prepare the best TZ with Ayoyo, green with dawa, guinea fowl and intestines, which is known as nama, the original TZ, not the konyo TZ you have been buying by the roadside. So first of all, go with my proteins, and this is my nama, which I'm going to cut it and steam it. This is my beef. So that is my protein. I'll add my water. I'll add my Maggi, 2 teaspoons salt. I'll now blend my garlic and then pepper as usual. Add my garlic and ginger and onions I blend. Cover it. I'll put the green on fire. You can cut it small to make sure that when you prepare the soup, everything will be smooth. You not see the chaff matching it. Some people use blender to blend. I don't want to use any blender. I want to use it in the local way in the north, how we do it. So some people can decide and pound it. And mostly the green, when you boil it, it will be small. So you have to make sure that it's a little big enough so that you can get the correct soup you are looking for, so that at the end the soup will not be watery. Because if you put too much water, you end up by getting the soup watery. Add the green to the water. I have to add my saltpeter to it to make sure I'll get the slippery taste. When you add the saltpeter, you need to add it in a reasonable quantity, because if you over add it, when you are eating, you will feel the taste of the saltpeter in the soup, which will not give you the correct taste of the Ayoyo in the north. Waiting for the green to be ready. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for the green to be ready. I'll add my dawa to the green. Once it's on fire, dawa is a local product from north. It's hygienic and all the proteins you need is in it. So when you add it to the green, you'll get the actual taste of the Ayoyo soup in the north. So for me waiting for the green, I'll blend my tomatoes for the stew. You know, we have two main ways of doing the green. You can do with the stew direct, and you can also decide to do it separately. I'll add my Maggi and salt small. Even without the stew, you can still eat it alone, because I'm spicing everything. You know, when you are dressing the green, there's a lot of some small sticks are mounted. So I always make sure that it will be smooth and you will not feel it when you are eating. add some oil. So I'll now add my ginger, garlic, onions, and then pepper to the oil. I'll add my tomato paste. So my green is ready. So I'll now put my water for the Tuo Zaafi or TZ. The water for the TZ, fresh tomatoes to the stew. So this is my salted fish known as momoni to the stew. So I put some fresh pepper too. I'll add my spices, my Maggi, and small salt because I will add the stock small to the stew. So you will reduce the spice small. I'm coming to prepare the TZ. My water is boiling. So when your water is boiling, you now mix your corn flour. This is my corn flour. So when you are mixing the corn flour, you mix it with cold water and pour it in the water that you have already put on fire is boiling. When you pour it, you make sure that you stir it immediately. You don't make it too light, but not too thick. It should be in the middle, so you can get your correct TZ. So you see the way I've mixed my oil. It should be this way. So you leave it to 5 minutes time. It will start boiling again. So now the TZ flour I've mixed on fire is boiling. So I'll first some of it out, 3 of this. After that, you first of all put the corn flour first. Once you stir it immediately. So when you put the corn flour, you add the cassava onto small. You don't need to put the cassava on too much, so that if you put the cassava on too much, there will be starch in your TZ too much. So the corn flour is always the one you put more. Mostly because of the starch, the TZ have to have some small starch contents there, so that you can enjoy the TZ well. The porridge I fetched out is there for some time. When I stir the TZ and I think that the TZ is getting hard, I'll add small. So that's why I've left that one for some time. I'll still add it. When it's time to add, you'll see me, I'll add it to it. I'll get the northern TZ. So you just take your time and stir it well. And while stirring, you make sure that your cooking pot is always neat. You clean around it. So now I'll add my porridge I first down some. So you see me stirring this way. Sometimes I hit it like this to make sure that the small particles, I'll break it. So that's the reason why I always hit it by the side. I'll add the remaining porridge I fetched. We eat in the bowl, so I have to serve it how we Northerners eat our dessert in our local bowls. The local bowl is not more available because of the modern world. The green is ready and I'm coming to serve it. So I'll add my stew and my protein by the size. The intestines, put this my dry fish. Food is ready. At the beginning I told you we are going to give one of the pack to the needy on the roadside. So that's the one I'm coming to serve. Add my protein. And then the stew. Though it's not much, but this is what we can afford for now. So I hope when we are able to stand on our feet, we'll do more than this.